With only 2 tomatoes he makes this recipe for breakfast. I'll start by cutting 2 tomatoes into thin slices, this way I'm doing. Already cut, I will reserve it for a moment. In a pan I will add a tablespoon of butter, and stir constantly until it melts. Once melted I will place all the tomato slices that I had reserved. At this moment I would like to know, from which country or city you look at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for David Kamijia from Ghana, also for Alicia Fields from Florida, and Alona Villanueva from Philippines. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. Now I'm going to season the tomato slices, adding a little salt. I will also add some ground black pepper to it. I will cover and let the tomato slices cook over low heat for 5 minutes. While the slices are cooking, in a bowl I will add 3 eggs, these must be at room temperature. Then with a fork I will beat it very well, until they break. Then, I'm going to season them by adding a pinch of salt, a pinch of garlic powder, a pinch of black pepper, a little dehydrated parsley. And I will mix well to incorporate these seasonings into the eggs. Guys, today's recipe with tomatoes, it is very easy to make and it is delicious. I am sure everyone will like the result. And so we should be the mixture. After 5 minutes cooking the tomato slices, I will add the eggs that I just seasoned, spreading it well among tomatoes. And I will let the eggs cook a little. While it is cooking, I will cut into strips 3 slices of ham, and then I'll cut it into small squares, just like I'm doing. When the eggs are a little cooked, I will add the slices of ham cut into squares. Next, I will quickly grate 80 grams of mozzarella cheese. I'm going to scratch this one on the bigger side. Once the cheese is grated, I will add it on top of the eggs, spreading it very well. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means that you are liking this recipe, so leave us here below the following message: I love tomatoes, to send you a very special greeting. Finally, I will add a little oregano on top of the cheese. I will cover and let cook until the cheese melts. And already our recipe with tomato and few ingredients is ready. Look how delicious it has been, a unique and different breakfast. Although I would like you to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 to know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Cheunoe and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes. A hug and see you in the next recipe.